Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech West. I'm back with a new video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can receive Bitcoin on PayPal. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, logged into your PayPal account, and once you're logged into your account, tap on the transfer icon located right at the bottom, and once you tap on it, there's a drop down menu. So from there you have to tap on receive. So as you tap on it, next step you have to verify your identity. So for that, enter all of the information that is asked, and once you're done, tap on agree and continue. And once you're done verifying, on the other interface select the crypto that you want to transfer or receive, and as you select the crypto, on the other interface you'll have the wallet address. So what you need to do is you have to copy the wallet address, or you can simply tap on share as well. And once you're done copying the wallet address, on the other interface you have to paste the wallet address, and then you have to select the contact to whom you want to send or where you want to receive the Bitcoin. So after you're done selecting it, tap on confirm, and you've successfully received or transferred Bitcoin on PayPal. So that is how you can do it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.